Welcome to Yoga Strong, your 7-day yoga journey to build strength, focus, and confidence in your practice. I'm Amina and I'm so glad that you're here. Over the next week, we'll move through powerful yoga flows all around 20 minutes, and you'll challenge your body and play with strong poses and transitions and hopefully try something new. The intention behind this is that you'll feel strong from the inside out. So we'll move the body, we'll build strength in our muscles, but we'll also use the breath to guide us, as well as build mental strength and resilience. And of course, we do this when we practice on our mats by arising to challenges and daring to try new things. But to take it deeper, I've also included a question for you to reflect upon in each practice. Little invitations for you to check in and notice what's shifting both on the mat and in your life. To support you, I've put together a Yoga Strong Workbook where you'll find the reflection prompts and space for you to write all in one place. And you can grab it through the link in the description. It's yours to keep and it's free to download. This is your invitation to commit to 7 days of strength and flow. I hope you're joining me. Let me know if you are. Leave a comment below so I know who's here. Share it with someone who you feel will enjoy this. And I'll see you for day 1. I hope you're excited.